If you've been scratching your head for quite some time now trying to figure out which green tea product to buy, then you're in the same boat as thousands of other people. With all the numerous green tea products that are commercially available today, it's easy to get lost in the ocean of offerings that all claim to be the best one for you. It seems easy enough to look for these self-supplementing wonders online, and if you're type erroneously like green tea for example, you'd still find a site offering you these products one form or another. That's really where the problem lies. There are just too many resources that are available that it's difficult to strain out the good resources from the bad. You can never be too sure about the green tea product that you get. If Lady Luck is not beside you, you may just end up with a green tea supplement that will literally do nothing for you. Some green tea products have so little extracts inside them that they are not simply sufficient enough to provide the health benefits that you get. And even if you get whole green tea leaves, they may be of inferior quality. And even if you drink 3 or 4 cups each day, I still won't be able to make any difference. When buying green tea products, you should be sure to go to a resource that offers only quality products. Don't get easily impressed by a snazzy looking website and professionally written copywriting. Many inferior sources of green tea products have gone through great lengths to make themselves look legitimate and spent a great deal of online marketing to attract traffic like you. In fact, even typing green tea in a search engine will assure them that it will be at the very least among the search results. Even when you have found a green tea online resource that you can trust, you will still need to look at the product themselves to ensure that you'll be getting the best. First off, don't bother looking for FDA approved green tea products. While the FDA does regulate supplements like green tea, they don't undergo the same guidelines most food types or drinks or medications do. Manufacturers of green tea supplements have the obligation to provide the consumer sufficient proof to back up any health claims they may have about their products. So as consumers, you have the obligation to go thoroughly over the claims these manufacturers make, not just to ensure you're not wasting your money, but also you're not subjecting your health to a worthless health supplement. Green tea may provide powerful and potent antioxidants proven to boost and promote health, but with inferior quality ingredients, poor manufacturing process, and insufficient raw materials, you may not get enough of these antioxidants to make even the smallest of value to your health. So how do you know that you're getting the best? Well, for one, reputable manufacturers are able to provide sufficient evidence for the quality of their products and show ample and convincing laboratory findings and tests made on their products. Some even provide certification from reputable laboratories providing proof that their products indeed offer the health benefits that they claim to provide. These certificates will also show that the ingredients listed to be contained inside are indeed there. If they are pure green tea products, then, at the very least, show that the amount of green tea leaves or extracts stated are indeed there. Aside from quality assurance, you should also evaluate the green tea product itself. Does the product offer the best way to get the most out of the health benefits that green tea offers? Meaning, you should be able to fully extract the whole health boosting properties of the antioxidants inside the product. Some green tea products, like whole tea leaves for brewing, may be of the highest of standards, but merely brewing it can only extract a small portion of all the health-inducing goodness it holds in it. Green tea products like edible green tea offer a better delivery of the nutrients inside your body, giving better value for the price that you paid for it.